YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. How you wonderful creatives doing today? I am with a little tiny little haul and some little goodies from my friend Susan. So I'm just going to jump right in and show you what I got. I bought another one of those no-touch keys from Dollar Tree. Cheap Dollar Tree, but I did drop my other one and it cracked in half. So yeah, just be mindful that they can break. But these are also a good weapon if you need to defend yourself. Your keychain. Just picked up some socks. You know, these more like the dress socks and these more like some footies. Keep the footies warm. And I was with my girl Lisa. We had met up to take her some stuff. And I met up at her Dollar Tree. And I got most of the stuff, and then I got a couple for mine. Not much this week, and of course by the time this video up, it's going to be a week late or so. But I did pick these cowboy stickers up. I thought they were cute. And I got some scrapbook paper that can go with that. Did pick up these little coasters. I like the different color leaves. So a few different types of leaves there. And then your pineapples. And I like the colors. And I already picked up the confetti in the other video I showed you. And then I picked up this notes organizer. And it's 80 sheets. I hadn't seen this at mine. It says IQ Notes Layout. But I thought it was just great. You can put any kind of thing in here, whether it was a crafty idea, your cue, and then your notes, and the subject, so, and the summary. And kind of that's what I thought this would be for me, like a little brain dump. Because I always come with ideas, and I don't do them. Because I watch the next YouTube video, then I watch the next YouTube video, then I do a haul, watch the next, and you get, you know, you forget what you said you was going to do, or what you was going to do with the items. You don't really forget, but you just, another thing comes on top of it and gets pushed back to the burner sometimes. So anyway, I thought this would be a good way, just a good place to keep it. So that I can go back and refer, like, or and even write down notes like what video I watched. Maybe it inspired me. Because that's another thing. Sometimes you get off and you watch 25 videos and you forgot, like, oh God, which one was it? I'm just speaking from my experience. Yeah, I might not have that problem. But yeah, so that way it's easier to give credit to whom credit is due. Then I went to my Dollar Tree and they had, I like the puppy stickers. But I just got these. The safari looking ones, the little cheetahs, and then these the summer little drinks and punch and glasses and ice cream and umbrellas and stuff like that. And then I did get this wire mesh, which was in gold. I wish they had it like the chicken wire that I got before, that was a long roll. You know, I got a lot of that on that one, but this is just a small little piece in gold. But it looks just basically almost like the chicken wire, but it says mesh. Not quite the chicken wire print, but it's such a small amount. But I like it. It's gold. This would be great for our mixed media projects, which we do the fourth Sunday of every single month. We post a mixed media collab, so I will be using that in that. So that's pretty much Dollar Tree haul. Not much at all there. And then my girl Susan from Suzyqcrafter21, she gifted me this Kitsch Flamingo, yay, Distress Oxide, because I didn't have that. And I'm going to show you, I accidentally purchased it right after I picked it up. I forgot that what was the one she had, and I was in Michael's and they had a sale. So she got me some more wonderful tonic paper, and you can see and feel all of the dimension in it. You can see that, hopefully you can. So thank you, Miss Susan. Y'all check her out. Tell her I sent you. Tell her say hey. She's always wonderfully sharing her paper, and I greatly appreciate it. And then this, it has like an embossed print in it. It's very feminine. This makes such a beautiful card, like a Mother's Day card in it. It's because it's got a little floral print in it. I don't know if you'll be able to see with my lighting. Yeah, you can kind of see that in there. I may not be doing it justice. And then some more metallic paper here. So that's pretty. And then she gifted me some of this other pink before. It's bubblegum pink. You know, they joke on me in my pink because, you know, I don't have a phobia pink, but it, you know, borders on that. I'm just joking. But anyway, this is bubblegum pink, so it's not like pink, so I can deal with that, you know. It does look like the bubblegum, that Pepto-Bismol bubblegum. That's what I used to call it. Pepto. So anyway, oh, and then I did go to Michael's, and they had a sale, and this is thanks to Miss Little Scrappy, Lisa. She had showed that she was, Michael's is literally across the street from me. Literally. I like, my thing is open. I hate when I buy something that's open. But I bought some more ATG tape, refills. And she had went and she had showed how she got the wobbles. So I went over there. They had did a whole nother display. They had the wobbles. I remember Walmart used to carry these for like $1 and some change, maybe $2. I think it was $2.8. Well, yeah, it's like $1.98 or $2.18. I can't remember at Walmart, but that was years ago. But this was at Michael's. They had it for $5.99. You know, they had the BOGO sale. No, well, get one half off. But I want to get the other one half off. So I did get these. They also had all the different shaker tags. So they had the tags, the circles, the mason jars, and I think that was it. They all make 6 of them. So they come with the different layers to make 6, you know, shaker tags. I just got the regular tag shape. But like I said, they had the mason jar, the circle ones, and it was 4 designs, I think. And then they had, again, all of this was buy one, get the other one half off. I got the alcohol blending solution. My thing cracked open. I must have did a poor job of shopping because everything damaged up here. This cracked open. This top is cracked open over here on the side. Like, really, I don't know. I don't normally shop about stuff like that. That is so weird. And then I made a mistake and forgot, and I picked up this Kitsch Flamingo, which my girl Susan had just gifted me. Because I was trying to get my balance number. It's like, oh, I need to get 4, you know, when I was getting the set. So I did get the Rusty Wilderness because I didn't have that Rusty Wilderness and this Speckled Egg. So either way, this one to go back. But I was excited to have now 3 more colors added to my collection. So that is my haul. Nothing big, but anyway. So thanks for stopping by. Check us out at our collabs, the Dollar Tree collabs, the second Sunday of the month, and our Mixed Media collab, the 4th Sunday of the month. All right, take care, and God bless. And I dare you to be creative.